You don't lie. You don't pretend. You just adjust. Your voice changes. Your posture shifts. Your opinions get softer. And when you leave, you feel slightly embarrassed. Not because you said something wrong, but because you weren't fully there. So why does your personality change depending on who's in the room? You don't lie. You don't pretend. You just adjust. Your tone changes. Your laugh sounds different. You choose safer words. And when you leave, you feel slightly off, like you weren't fully there. You speak less passionately. You downplay achievements. You act less emotional, or more confident than you feel. Around some people, you shrink. Around others, you perform. This isn't deception, it's adaptation. Is this safe? Am I too much? Am I not enough? What version works here? Move deeper. You learned early. Certain traits got approval. Others got ignored. Some got punished. So you optimized. Not consciously. You built social modes. This is survival intelligence. Shift tone slightly heavier. Constant self-adjustment creates identity fatigue, social exhaustion, subtle resentment, feeling unseen. You're liked, but not known. When you adapt too often, your brain starts asking, which one is the real me? And that question creates anxiety. You don't feel fake, you feel unstable. Important distinction. Who are you when no one is watching? Not aspirational, not idealized, neutral, calm, unperformed. Most people try to be fully themselves everywhere. That backfires. Safety still matters. The goal isn't zero adaptation, it's reducing overcorrection. That nuance increases credibility, practical but subtle. Next time you feel yourself editing, what am I about to remove? Not, should I say this, but why am I deleting this part? Maybe you're not fake. Maybe you just learned to be careful. And maybe the real work isn't becoming someone new, it's feeling safe enough to stop disappearing.